So part art lesson 8. Dinesh लाता है. लाता means bring. लाता है bringing. Dinesh is bringing. Dinesh क्या लाता है? What Dinesh is bringing? Dinesh कलम लाता है. कलम means pen. Dinesh bringing pen. Dinesh कहाँ से कलम लाता है? From where Dinesh is bringing pen? वह बाजार से कलम लाता है. He is bringing from बाजार. बाजार is market. Okay. He is bringing from market. So वह घड़ी भी लाता है. वह is here Dinesh. They are mentioning वह is Dinesh. Okay. So he. Here what we have to think like he. He is bringing clock also. The B means clock also. Okay. Okay. Salim. तुम क्या लाते हो? Salim. One more person. Okay. Now asking him. What you are bringing, Salim? मैं एक किताब लाता हूँ. See here, they starts with may and ends with the who. Correct? When they starts with the tum, they ended with ho. Correct? Okay. मैं एक किताब लाता हूँ. Now Salim is saying here, I am bringing one book. तुम कहाँ से किताब लाते हो? From where you are bringing book? मैं स्कूल से किताब लाता हूँ. I am bringing from school. I am bringing book from school. Okay? विजय क्या खाता है? What Vijay is eating? वह सेब खाता है. See here. He is eating apple. सेब, apple. क्या वह अमरूद खाता है? Whether he is eating अमरूद? नहीं, वह अमरूद नहीं खाता है. So no, he is not eating अमरूद. वह सेब खाता है. He is eating सेब, apple. विशाल और जोसेफ कहाँ खेलते हैं? Vishal and Joseph, where they are playing? So see here, Vishal and Joseph. Two names came here, right? So they have completed the sentence with the हैं, with the dot हैं. विशाल और जोसेफ मैदान में खेलते हैं. विशाल and Joseph, they were playing in मैदान. क्या वे घर में भी खेलते हैं? क्या means what? Whether they will play at home also? नहीं, no. वे घर में नहीं खेलते. They will not play at home. वे मैदान में खेलते हैं. They will play at ground only. So Vanaja, तुम कहाँ पढ़ती हो? Vanaja, one more person. Okay? तुम कहाँ पढ़ती हो? Where you are reading? Vanaja, where you are reading? मैं गांधी स्कूल में पढ़ती हूँ. I am reading. I am studying. Okay, here पढ़ती means studying. मैं गांधी स्कूल में पढ़ती हूँ. I am studying at गांधी स्कूल. Okay, कहाँ पढ़ती हूँ? I am studying at गांधी स्कूल. If we ask where you are studying, so that time you can say मैं महालक्ष्मी स्कूल में पढ़ती हूँ. महालक्ष्मी विद्या मंदिर CBSE स्कूल में पढ़ती हूँ. ओके. नाउ क्या मालिनी भी वहां पढ़ती है? Whether Malini also studying there? हाँ, मालिनी भी वहां पढ़ती है. They are saying yes. So one more girl also studying there. So yes, they are saying yes. Malini also studying there. So Veena, Veena, तुम क्या करती हो? See this. Usually we used to ask this casual sentences. तुम क्या करती हो? What you are doing? See, every sentence when they will start with tum, they are ending with ho. This and all you have to keep in your mind. Okay. So now they are asking, Veena, tum kya karti ho? So what you are doing, Veena? मैं हिंदी पढ़ती हूँ. She is saying now I am reading Hindi. I am studying Hindi. So क्या तुम अंग्रेजी भी पढ़ती हो? क्या तुम अंग्रेजी भी पढ़ती हो? Whether you are reading English also? जी हाँ, मैं अंग्रेजी भी पढ़ती हूँ. Yes, of course. Okay, जी हाँ, yes, of course. I am reading English also. So वहां देखो, see there, वहां देखो, see there. मैदान में लड़के खेलते हैं. See here, children, मैदान में लड़के, लड़का singular, लड़के plural form. Okay, so when plural form is coming, that time the verb also changes kelta, from kelta to kelte. Okay, otherwise we used to say ladka kelta hai, right? So here plural form is there. So ladke, so verb also changes kelte and ends with the hai, dotted hai. So मैदान में लड़के खेलते हैं. In मैदान, ground, in ground, who's that? Boys are playing. So तुम भी बाहर जाओ और खेलो. Okay, now they are saying you also go out and play. रात में जल्दी सोवो. रात means night. Okay, jaldi means quickly. Sovo, sleep. So at night sleep before at what time you all will sleep? Before 8:30 or 9. So रात में जल्दी सोवो. Don't do late. Okay, quickly go and sleep at night. सबेरे जल्दी उठो. सबेरे is morning. Okay, so morning quickly you have to wake up. Okay, yes. आओ राधा बैठो. आओ राधा बैठो. Come Radha, please sit down. तुम गीत गाओ. So now asking to Radha, you sing song. So Pandit ji, I said Pandit ji means here teacher. आप गीत सुनिए. Teacher, you listen this song. Okay, yes, very good. So this is from part 8. So they have given 3 question answers. Dinesh कहाँ से कलम लाता है? So Dinesh बाजार से कलम लाता है. Yes, Vijay क्या खाता है? Vijay क्या खाता है? सेब. So he is not eating amrud. So amrud means guava, right? So he is eating सेब. What you have to say now? Vijay सेब खाता है. Yes. So वनजा तुम कहाँ पढ़ती हो? So वनजा गांधी स्कूल में पढ़ती है. वनजा तुम कहाँ पढ़ती हो? So what she has to answer? मैं गांधी स्कूल में पढ़ती हूँ. गांधी स्कूल में पढ़ती हूँ. Yes.